Now our next question is question number 4. Which of the following are AP? आपको ये कुछ पार्ट्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं, ये कुछ पार्ट्स क्वेश्चन में गिवन है। आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि कौन से पार्ट्स इसमें एपी है। तो देखो फर्स्ट पार्ट का तो बहुत सिंपल सा क्राइटेरिया होता है जो हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में डिस्कस किया था कि A2 माइनस A1 शुड बी इक्वल टू A3 माइनस A2 शुड बी इक्वल टू A3 माइनस A2। दैट मीन्स जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है वो हमारा सेम होना चाहिए। तो मैंने आपको ये भी प्रीवियस क्लास में बताया था कि किसी भी लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स को चेक करने के लिए मिनिमम आपके पास 3 टर्म्स होनी चाहिए, दैट इज A1 A2 और A3। अगर आप इन सभी पार्ट्स में देखो तो आपके पास 3 टर्म्स मिनिमम सभी में गिवन है, बिकॉज A2 माइनस A1 और A3 माइनस A2 एक क्राइटेरिया होता है किसी भी लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स को चेक करने का कि वो एपी है या नहीं है। फिर उसके बाद आगे आपसे पूछा गया है, नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज इफ दे फॉर्म एन एपी। भाई अगर इसमें से कोई भी पार्ट आपका एपी होता है, फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस। तो आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि फिर उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होगा, ये आपको फाइंड करना है। एंड राइट 3 मोर टर्म्स। तो जितनी भी टर्म्स उसमें गिवन है, अगर आप इन सभी पार्ट्स में देखो तो 4 टर्म्स गिवन है। तो आपको A5 A6 A7 दैट मीन्स 5th 6th और 7 टर्म्स फाइंड करना होगा। तो वन बाय वन हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट पार्ट जो है आपका दैट इज our first part is 2 4 8 16. So first of all what we will do, we will find A2 minus A1, that means 4 minus 2 and it is equal to 2. Then we will find A3 minus A2, that makes it 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. बस बात यही खत्म हो गई कि जो हमारा A2 माइनस A1 है वो हमारा A3 माइनस A2 के इक्वल नहीं है। A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. It means that is common difference. Common difference is not same. Common difference is not same. Therefore, the given sequence is not an AP. Is not an AP. और आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, डायरेक्टली आप लिख सकते हो इट इज नॉट एन एपी, दैट्स इट, इट इज नॉट एन एपी। ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट। Next part is 2 5 by 2 3 7 by 2. So again what we will do, first of all we will find the common difference A2 minus A1, that is equal to 5 by 2 A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, that is 5 by 2 minus 2 by 1. While taking LCM it will be equal to 2, that makes it 5, 2 2 ja 4, 5 minus 4, that is 1 by 2. Now again we will find the common difference, which will be A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, that is 3 minus 5 by 2. While taking LCM it will be 2, 3 2 ja 6 minus 5, again it is equal to 1 by 2. Means common difference, that is D is same, D is same, or you can write it as because A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to D. Therefore, it is an AP. It is an AP. Then the next part is, if it is an AP, we have to find next 3 terms. That is A5, A6 and A7. A5, A6 and A7. और आपसे ये भी पूछा गया था कि कॉमन डिफरेंस भी आपको फाइंड करना है, तो वो ऑलरेडी आप फाइंड कर चुके हो। A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2 equal to D, and D is equal to 1/2। एक आपको कॉमन डिफरेंस आपको मेंशन करना है, दैट इज 1/2। और बिकॉज कॉमन डिफरेंस हमारा इक्वल है, तो ये एक AP है आपका। देन वी विल फाइंड, we have to find next three terms, that is A5, A6 and A7। A5, A6 and A7। Now A5 will be equal to A4 plus D। A4, this one is A4। A4 is 7/2 plus D, D is 1/2, it is equal to 8/2, that is equal to 4। So my A5 is 4। Then we have to find A6, which will be equal to A5 plus D। Now A5 is 4 and D is 1/2, that is, by taking LCM 2, 4 to the 8 plus 1, so it is equal to 9/2, it is equal to 9/2। So we have computed A5, A6, now we have to find A7। A7 will be equal to A6 plus D, that is 9/2 plus D, that is 1/2, and it will be equal to 10/2, that is 5, that is 5। So this is our final answer, that next three terms are 4, 9/2 and 5, and common difference is equal to 1/2। Okay, let's move to the next part, that is part 3। Question is -1/2, -3/2, -5/2, -7/2, these are the given terms। Okay, so first of all, again we will find the common difference, that is A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, it is equal to -3/2, -3.2, minus within bracket -1.2, so it will be equal to -3.2 plus 1.2, that is -2, that is -2। Then again we will find the common difference by using A3 minus A2, this is A3 and this is A2, A3 minus A2, that is -5.2 minus -3.2, that is -5.2 minus plus 3.2। Now -5.2 plus 3.2 is equal to -2। Okay, it means what? It means this is an AP with common difference D is equal to -2, with common difference D is equal to -2। Now we have to find next three terms. First of all, we will find A5, which will be equal to A4 plus D. Now this is A4, A4. So A4 is -7.2 plus D plus -2. That makes it -7.2 minus 2.0, and it will be equal to -9.2. So this is A5. Then we will find A6, which will be equal to A5 plus D. Now here A5 is -9.2 and D is -2. This can be written as -2.0, which is equal to -11.2, that is A6. Then we will find A7, that is A6 plus D. Now A6 is -11.2 and D is -2, that is -2.0, which means -13.2. So it is an AP. Why? Because A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. with common difference -2, and its next three terms are a5 -9.2, a6 -11.2, a7 -13.2. Okay, let's move to the next question. That is part 4. Part 4 is -10 -6 -2, 2. So again, first of all, we will find the common difference, that is a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1, which is -6 minus -10. That is -6 plus 10, which makes it 4. Then we will find again common difference a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. a3 is -2 and a2 is -6. Minus a2, value of a2 is -6. That is -2 plus 6, which makes it equal to 4. It means, as you can see, that a3 minus a2 is equal to 4. a2 minus a1 is equal to 4. It means this is an AP. This is an AP with common difference D is equal to 4. With common difference D is equal to 4. Now we will find the next three terms. That is a5, which is equal to a4 plus D. Now a4 is 2. a4 is 2 and D is 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. This is a5. Then we will find a6, which is equal to a5 plus D. Now a5 is equal to 6 and D is equal to 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then we will find a7, which is equal to a6 plus D. Now a6 is 10 plus D is equal to plus 4. D is 4. That makes it 4. So we have computed the common difference, that is 4. And then next three terms, a5 6, a6 10, and a7 40. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Next question is part 5. Question is 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, and 3 plus 3 root 2. These are the given terms. Okay. So first of all, we will find the common difference, that is a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. So it will be equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, so it will be equal to root 2. Then we will find a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. So it will be equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2, which means 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2. आप इसको ऐसे भी समझ सकते हो. देखो ये 2 root 2 और minus root 2 का मतलब ये 1 root 2. तो अगर मुझे 2 root 2 minus root 2 करना है, that means root 2 means 1 root 2. While taking root 2 common, it will be 2 minus 1. So it will be equal to 1 root 2. There is no need to write 1. Mathematically presentation में 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. तो exact, so it means it is equal to root 2. रूट के साथ रूट 2 रूट 3 के साथ 1 नहीं लिखा जाता है. ये अंडरस्टूड होता है कि अगर ये √2 है इट मीन्स ये सिंगल √2 है, बिकॉज अगर 2 होगा तो 2 √2, 3 टाइम्स होगा तो 3 √2. दिस इज योर आंसर √2. ओके, so you can see that again a2 minus a1 √2, a3 minus a2 again √2. It means what? It means it is an AP. It is an AP with common difference d is equal to √2. With common difference d is equal to √2. Now we will find the next three terms, that is a5 which is equal to a4. ये आपका a4 which is equal to a4 plus d. a4 is 3 plus 3 √2 and d is √2. So it can be solved like 3 plus. अब अगर आप √2 कॉमन लेते हो, if you take √2 as a common term, so within bracket we will have 3 plus single √2 का मतलब होता है 1. So that makes it 3 plus 1 4 √2. 3 plus 1 4 √2. So this is our a5. Then we will find a6 which is equal to a5 plus d. Now a5 is 3 plus 4 √2 and d is √2. It means what? It means we can take √2 common. That makes it 3 plus √2. Within bracket we will have 4 plus single √2 means 1. So it will be equal to 3 plus 4 plus 1 5 √2. 4 plus 1 5 √2. Now we will find a7 which is equal to a6 plus d. Now a6 is equal to 3 plus 5 √2 and d is equal to √2. So what we will have 3 plus, while taking √2 common, within bracket we will have 5 plus 1. That makes it 3 plus 5 plus 1 6 √2. So these are the next three terms, a5, a6 and a7. Let's move to the next part, that is part 6. Our question is, list of numbers are 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and 0.4 times 2. Okay. So first of all, again, we will find the common difference, that is a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1, that is 0.22 minus 0.2. अब 0.22 minus 0.2, it will be written like this. In place of this, here we can write 0. So it will be 2 minus 2 0. That makes it 0.02. That is 0.02. Now we will find a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2, that is 0.222 minus 0.22. 0.222 minus 0.22. Here we can write 0. So 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, 0 point. It means 0.002. As a3 minus a2 is not equal to a2 minus a1, therefore it is not an AP. The common difference same नहीं है, तो ये आपका AP नहीं होगा. Okay, it is not an AP. Let's move to the next part, that is part 7. First term is 0, second term is -4, third term is -8 and fourth term is -12. So first of all, we will find A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. That is minus 4 minus 0, which is equal to minus 4. Okay. Then we will find A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. That is minus 8 minus A2. That is minus 4. That is minus 8 minus minus plus 4, which is equal to minus 4. It means it is an AP. It is an AP with common difference D is equal to minus 4. Is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now we will find the next three terms. First of all, A5, which is equal to A4 plus D. Now this one is A4. So A4 is minus 12 plus D. In place of D, we will write minus 4. That makes it minus 12 minus 4. That is minus 16. That is minus 16. Then we will find A6, which is equal to A5 plus D. Now here A5 is minus 16 plus D. In place of D, we will write minus 4. That makes it minus 16 plus minus minus 4 is equal to minus 20. And then we will find A7. That is A6 plus D. Now A6 is minus 20. And D is minus 4. That is minus 20 minus 4 is equal to minus 24. So it is an AP with common difference minus 4. And next three terms are minus 16, minus 20, and minus 24. Okay. Now let's move to the next part. That is part 8. Part 8 is first term is minus 1 by 2. First term is minus 1 by 2. Then again minus 1 by 2. Then again minus 1 by 2. And then again minus 1 by 2. So these are the 4 terms. Okay. These are the 4 terms. Okay. Let's proceed with the analysis. Again, we will find A2 minus A1. This is A2 and this is A1. That makes it minus 1 by 2 minus A1. That is minus 1 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 0, as both will be cancelled out. Then we will find A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 1 by 2. Minus A2 is minus 1 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus 1 by 2. So it is equal to, again, it is equal to 0. It means it is an AP. It is an AP with common difference D is equal to 0. With common difference D is equal to 0. Now, next term is A5, which is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is minus 1 by 2. This is A4. Means minus 1 by 2 plus 0. It is equal to minus 1 by 2. The common difference आपका 0 है. It means जो बाकी की terms होंगी वो आपकी same होंगी. A6 क्या होगा? A5 plus D. because difference ही नहीं है, 0 है. That makes it minus 1 by 2 plus 0. Again minus 1 by 2. And then A7. It will be equal to A6 plus D. That is again minus 1 by 2 plus 0 minus 1 by 2. So it is an AP with common difference 0. And its next three terms are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and minus 1 by 2. So this is the solution of part 8. Let's move to the next part, that is part 9. Terms are 1, 3, 9, 27. Okay. First of all, we will find the common difference. That is D is equal to A2 minus A1. That means 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Then A3 minus A2. That is 9 minus 3. And it is equal to 6. So you can see that as A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1. Therefore, it is not an A. It is not an AP because आपका जो common difference है वो same नहीं है. So let's move to the next part. That is part 10. Terms are A, 2A, 3A and 4A. Okay. First of all, we will find A2 minus A1. Now here A2 is 2A and A1 is A. That makes it 2A minus A. 2A minus A is equal to A. Then we will find A3 minus A2. Now here A3 is 3A and A2 is 2A. That is again A. Therefore, it is an AP. Why so? Because A3 minus A2 and A2 minus A1 both are equal with common difference B is equal to A. B is equal to A. Okay. Now we will find the next three terms. That is A5, which is equal to A4 plus D. Now this is A4. This is A4. That is 4A and common difference is A. That is 5A. Then A6 is equal to A5 plus D. Now A5 is 5A and common difference is A. 5A plus A is equal to 6A. Then A7. A7 is equal to A6 plus D. That is 6A plus A, which is equal to 7. So next three terms are 5A, 6A and 7A. Let's move to the next question, next part, that is part 11. Part 11 is A square, A cube, A raised to power 4. Okay. So first of all, again we will find the common difference. That is A2 minus A1. A2 is A square and A1 is A square minus A. So what we can do here, we can take A common. So we are left with A minus 1. Okay. Then we will find A3 minus A2. Now here A3 is A raised to power 3 and A2 is A raised to power 2. That is A square. AQ minus A square. Again, what we can do here, we can take A square common from these two terms. So we are left with A minus 1. We can see that A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1. Therefore, it is not an A. As our common difference is not equal. Now let's proceed with our next part. That is part 12. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Okay. So first of all, again we will find the common difference D, that is A2 minus A1. Now A2 is root 8 and A1 is root 2. Root 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 minus root 2. So here we got a pair of 2. So it can be written as further 2 root 2 minus root 2. Now by taking root 2 common, what we will have? 2 minus 1. So basically it is equal to root 2. Okay. Then we will find a3 minus a2. Now a3 is root 18 and a2 is root 8. The root 18 can be written as 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, and root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So while solving this, what we will have? We have got a pair of 3. It can be written as 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, 3 root 2. देखो root 2 common term है. So basically 3 minus 2, that is root 2. So you can see that common difference are same. It means it is an AP. It is an AP with common difference is equal to root 2. With common difference is equal to root 2. Now we will find the next three terms. Now we will find the next three terms. So first of all, we will find the A5, which is equal to A4 plus D. Now here A4 is root 32. A4 is root 32. That is root 32 plus root 2. The root 32 means 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32 plus root 2. Now here we got a pair of 2, 2. We got a 2 pair of 2. So A5 is equal to 2 from this pair, 2 from this pair, and root 2 plus root 2, which makes it 4 root 2 plus root 2. That is 5 root 2. That is 5 root 2. Is it clear? That is 5 root 2. So you can see that all these terms are under square root. So if I have to write this term in this form, what I can do? I can write 5 root 2 as 5 into 5 into 2. You can see that both these terms are equal because here we got a pair of 5, so it can be written as 5 root 2. तो अगर आप इस 5 को रूट के अंदर लेके जाओगे तो आप इसको पेयर में लिखोगे तो ये आपका एग्जैक्टली उसी फॉर्म में आ जाएगा जिस फॉर्म में आपको ये बाकी की टर्म्स गिवन, दैट इज 5 5 जा 25, 25 2 जा 50. So this is our root, this is our A5. Now we will find A6, which is A5 plus D. Now A5 is 5 root 2 and D is root 2, which makes it 6 root 2. Again, if I have to write this term in this form, I have to I can write it as 6 into 6 into 2. Both these are equal because pair of 6 means 6 root 2. That makes it 6 6 is 36, 36 2 is 72. That is root 72. That is A6. Now we will write A7. A7 is equal to A6 plus D. A6 is 6 root 2 and D is root 2. That makes it 7 root 2. And it can be written as 7 into 7 into 2. 7 7 is 49, 49 2 is root 98. So we can say that next three terms are root 50, root 72, and root 98. Okay, these are the required answer of this part. मैं फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूँ, कुछ नहीं किया हमने। वाइल फाइंडिंग दिस वैल्यू, देखो जो आपकी जो गिवन टर्म थी वो स्क्वायर रूट में थी, तो आपने क्या किया, ये जो टर्म थी आपने इसको इसी फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए आपने 5 को स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर रखा। 5 अगर स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर जाएगा तो ये 5 × 5 होगा, बिकॉज 5 × 5 का पेयर होगा तभी ये बाहर आके 5 बना होगा, दैट मेक्स इट √50। सिमिलरली अगर 6 रूट के अंदर जाएगा तो वो पेयर में जाएगा, 6 × 6। ऐसे 7 जब रूट के अंदर जाएगा तो 7 × 7। So these are the required answer of this part. This is the required answer. Okay. Let's move to the next part. That is part 13. Part 13 is √3, √6, √9, √12. Okay. So first of all, we will find the common difference, that is a2 minus a1. a2 is √6 and a1 is √3. √6 can be written as 3 into 2 and minus √3. Further, it can be written as √3 into √2 minus √3. So while taking √3 common, what we will have within bracket, we will have √2 minus 1. So this is a2 minus a1. Now we will find common difference of a3 and a2 terms, between a3 and a2. a3 is √9 and a2 is √6. √9 can be written as 3 into 3 and it can be written as 3 into 2. That makes it √3 into √3 minus √3 into √2. While taking √3 common, within bracket we will have √3 minus √2. So we can see that a2 minus a1 is not equal to a3 minus a2, as a3 minus a2 is not equal to a2 minus a1, therefore it is not an a3. Therefore it is not an a3. Okay. Now let's proceed with our next part, part 14. Part 14 is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. Okay. So first of all, we will find the common difference, that is d is equal to a2 minus a1. a2 is 3 square and a1 is 1 square. That makes it 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. And then we will find common difference between a3 and a2. Now here a3 is 5 square and a2 is 3 square. That is 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. You can see that both these terms are not equal, as a3 minus a2 is not equal to a2 minus a1. Therefore, it is not an a3. It is not an a3. Okay. Let's move to the next part. That is part 50, which is the last part of this question. Question is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. Okay. First of all, we will find the common difference, that is a2 minus a1. Now a2 is 5 square and a1 is 1 square. That makes it 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. Then we will find a3 minus a2. a3 is 7 square and A2 is 5 square. That makes it 49 minus 25. And that is 24. You can see that A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. It means it is an AP with common difference D is equal to 24. Common difference D is equal to 20. Now we will find the next three terms. Now we will find the next three terms. A5 will be equal to A4 plus 2. Now here A4 is 73 and D is 24. 73 plus 24. 4 plus 3, 7. And 7 plus 2, 9. That is 97. Then we will find A6, which is A5 plus D. Now A5 is 97 and D is 24. 7 plus 4, 11. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. That is 121. Then we will find A7, which will be equal to A6 plus D. Now here A6 is 121 and D is 24. So 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4 and 1. So it is an AP with common difference 24 and its next three terms are A5 97, A6 121 and A7 145. So now we have completed our exercise 5.1. In the next class we will proceed with exercise 5.2. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Thank you.